Tell me about your Belair, Nate.
It's frustrating. Parts that are supposed to be there aren't there.
So you mean like when we're trying to set timing and there's
Fucking nothing.
no weights, no springs, no bushings? That's nice.
Yeah.
We got base timing set. We were at, what'd you set it at?
20. Or wait, originally?
You're 42 degrees. Yeah,
well, I didn't have a time.
I know, you did the best you could. So we reset it to like 19 degrees base timing. And then we're trying to check for advance and we had nothing.
Yeah.
So we're like, well, let's take the cap off. You know what? It really helps to advance the timing when you've got the weights on there. So we're going to go pick that up. What year's your Belair, Nate? 56, two-door. Look at this. He just showed me something cool about this. Look at it. That's where you used to fill it up with gas. Ain't got no gas. We got Nate some of the old tires off of the good old Crustang. So he's got the 255 6015s that we're going to run, these Mickey Thompson ET Street R's, because these are old and shot. So we're going to get him some of these, and then we're going to try to fix the timing so he can drive this. He just had to rebuild the engine because it basically shelled itself. He bought this thing, traded it, and ended up rebuilding it. So we got the engine rebuilt. Now we're working on setting timing. Oh, it's going to be so awesome to drive it. So this is now like a 400 cubic inch small block, I think. It started life as a 350 Chevy. Now it's 400 cubic inches. He's got some forged pistons and rods in it, and we're going to see if we can go fast. It was intentionally missing parts. So somebody had this, I didn't even know it was a thing. I guess you can lock out the mechanical advance on it. So they had it set at 34 degrees previously, right, Nate?
Yep.
And we have a higher compression ratio now, so we're going to bump it up a little, or bump it down a little. So we're going to set our mechanical advance at 30. She's now set at 30.
And you know what?
It sounds a little happier.
I was just going to say.
But normally you'd idle at less because it'll stay cooler.
Right.
And then the timing comes in when your RPMs are up more. See how it runs. So we learned something today. You don't know what you don't know. So older stuff, obviously you guys know I deal with a lot of EFI stuff, and that's all electronically advanced. So that's pretty cool to learn something like that. I love learning new stuff. Freaking love it. So we got the timing is set and locked out at 30 degrees now, and we're gonna probably go to the track Wednesday and see how it runs. If it goes, see what it runs, give it another degree of timing. If we pick any mile an hour up, good, we know we're going in the right direction. If we don't, then we know to back it down to where we're at. Kind of leave it where we set it initially.
Hopefully no kaboos.
Yeah. Oh, dude, at 30 degrees of timing, I don't care what engine you have, you're safe.
I'm just saying for my building.
I don't know. I love it. Even though, like, you can't tell in the video, but it's not cleaned up, and it still looks good in the video. It looks way better than my crap box.
These almost look like the same tires my buddy has on his.
They're old.
Very old.
Yeah. Well, his dad.
Oh, yeah.
Action shot.
Got all the meats in there now. So stoked. So we got the wheels on with the new rubs. And then we've got our block ground on. Don't worry about that little hole there. That's factory. What else? I felt we had something else to do, didn't we?
We had good timing.
Oh, yeah, that's right. They got a nice little water box out there in the street already rigged up for us. It's time for burnouts.
Get this shit off the windshield.
Look at that. I mean, like that. It's just better. It's
Better. That looks so much better.
It's just better. If you watch this from the side, see the whole car shaking.
Yeah.
When's the last time you drove this?
3 weeks ago.
Okay.
Actually, a month. It was a month. Oh man, there's oil on that rack apparently.
What's right?
The one that I used to wash.
Oh yeah, you can see a little bit of. My car has been worse. So you have to shift this manually?
Yep, ratchet up.
Manual valve body?
Yep.
You have to pull this to shift it?
Nope.
Oh really? You just push it forward?
First and second. So first to second is just a push, and then to third you have to release.
Okay. And there's a stop so you can't like go past third? Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. You can feel a little bit of a bog right at the beginning.
Yep.
That felt pretty good.
Oh, that makes me happy.
First impression?
So good.
Those tires make a world of difference.
That is insane.
So Nate says that's the hardest he's ever driven the car since he's had it so far. And dang, she's looking good right now. Nothing broke. It pulled good. Man, it felt good when it got off that trans brake, or not the trans brake, off the stall on the converter. Track on Wednesday, is that the plan?
Track on Wednesday.
Okay. Those tires just look meaty on there.
It changes the whole game of this thing.
It does. Yeah, you're not spinning for days.
No.
It hooks up and go. I didn't even feel it spin. And 20 pounds of pressure in these, I mean, that's, I'd leave it right there. If you're hooking up that good on the street with it, hell yeah, man.
Hot damn.
Oh, it's going to be fun. Well, we'll see you guys Wednesday. Till then, drive fast, take chances. See you later.